My fellow creatures, today I'm gonna be making some cookies for the last day of school. This chocolate chip cookie making is inspired by Rosanna Pansino's perfect chocolate chip cookie. Oh my god, this is the best recipe I've ever found in my life. I love you so much, Rosanna Pansino. As she says, let's get started. What I see, this bowl, we're getting flour. This is oh my lord, 2.5 cups of flour. That is so much flour, literally covering my whole thing. Baking soda, we love baking soda. Guys, I don't know how to open this.
My senpais, I can't open this. Never mind.
Wait, how much do I need? Oh, 2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons. And then 1 teaspoon of salt. Boop. We whisk it. Not much to whisk, but you know. We have our very special mixing bowl. This is my favorite mixing bowl. I use it for everything. Room temperature butter. That's 1. 2. Sugar, granulated sugar. We're gonna add our brown sugar. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Yeah. Wow, it's so thick. Like me. I remember when I first made cookies, there were so many chunks. The second egg. Okay guys, we're gonna get the flour, put it in little bit by bit and mix it up to get the perfect consistency.
Five minutes later.
We have everything, and by everything I mean the dough. All we need is the chocolate chips, and we're going to fold them. Oh my god, they smell so good. That looks so good. You guys, these cookies came out so good. They look so nice and they're so soft too. I finished the cookies. So tired. Anyways, make sure. Oh, here are the cookies, by the way. I had one for an experiment. It's so good. Thank you so much, Rosanna Pansino. You're so amazing. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications.